On Wednesday, we talked about how comparison can steal your growth. But today, I want to flip that around. Because comparison doesn't just have to drain you. If you look closer, it can actually teach you something important about yourself. When you catch yourself comparing, it feels like a negative spiral. They're better than me. I'll never get there. But comparison isn't random. It's targeted. We don't compare ourselves to everyone. You don't look at a professional juggler and feel bad that you can't juggle knives, right? You compare yourself to people in areas you already care about. Your career, creativity, relationships, health. That means comparison is actually pointing to values you already hold. Think about it like this. If you compare yourself to someone disciplined, maybe what you're really craving is more structure in your life. If you compare yourself to someone adventurous, maybe you're longing for more courage. If you compare yourself to someone successful in their career, maybe you're looking for more clarity in your own path. Comparison, when reframed, becomes a spotlight. It's showing you where you want to grow. Here's something you can try this weekend. 1. Write down one person you often compare yourself to. 2. Instead of focusing on what they have that you don't, list the qualities you admire in them. Now, circle one quality that feels most important to you right now. That circled word, that's not proof of failure. It's a roadmap. It's telling you, here's where you want to grow next. And the best part? You don't have to copy them to get there. You can grow that quality in a way that's uniquely your own. So, comparison isn't really about them at all. It's about you. It's about your potential, reflecting back at you through someone else. The question isn't, why am I not them? The real question is, what part of me do I want to nurture next? So, don't stop at noticing comparison. Transform it into guidance. Let it remind you of what you value, and let that guide you into your own next step. If this gave you something to reflect on, I'd love to hear who you usually compare yourself to, and what qualities you admire in them. If you feel up to it, drop it in the comments, and let's turn comparison into growth together. Remember, be kind, and you matter. And I'll see you for the next Follow-Up Friday. Bye.